Iran unveils new hypersonic missile and new drones. Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC, has unveiled the homegrown Fattah 2 hypersonic missile, as well as other new military achievements. The missile was unveiled during an exhibition showcasing the latest achievements of the IRGC Aerospace Force at the Ashura Aerospace University of Science and Technology on Sunday. Leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Seyyed Ali Khamenei toured the exhibition. In addition to the Fattah 2 hypersonic cruise missile, Mehran mobile defense system, 9th day upgraded system, and Seyyed 147 drone were unveiled during the visit. Iran also featured the Seyyed 149 drones. The Seyyed 149 is an Iranian unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, operated by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard. It was unveiled on 21 May 2021 and named after the Gaza Strip in honor of the Palestinians' struggle against Israel. Amid the 2021 Israel-Palestine crisis, it was delivered to the IRGC Aerospace Force in 2022. The Gaza drone is a high-altitude long-endurance UAV similar in size, shape and role to the American MQ-9 Reaper. It is a larger, heavier, and more capable aircraft than the earlier Seyyed 129, which was similar to the MQ-1 Predator. It has a flight duration of 35 hours, a range of 2,000 kilometers, 1,200 miles, 21 meters wingspan, 350 kilometers per hour cruise speed, and is capable of carrying 13 bombs and 500 kilograms of electronic equipment. It is the first Iranian UAV powered by a turboprop engine. The exhibition, which included missile, drone, defense and space sections, featured new and updated achievements of the young scientists and specialists of the IRGC Aerospace Force. Under the title From Idea to All-Iranian Product, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Islamic Republic of Iran toured an exhibition showing the latest achievements of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Aerospace Force in a visit to the Ashura Aerospace University of Science and Technology on Sunday, November 19, 2023. The exhibition, which included the missile, drone, defense and space sectors, showcased new and updated achievements of IRGC Aerospace Force scientists and young professionals entitled, From Idea to All-Iranian Product. The leader of the Islamic Revolution described feature of the IRGC Aerospace exhibition as innovation and noted, of course, one should not be satisfied with the current level of success, because various military and civilian sectors in the world are constantly moving forward and progressing, and we should try not to back down. Ayatollah Khamenei called the movement and progress in the armed forces complexes fast and desirable, emphasizing the necessity of not reducing the momentum of the movement, adding, "We are very good in some parts of the country, but in some parts we are not good, and there are deficiencies and defects, in which we should also be able to correctly identify the needs to be moved towards meeting the point of need."